In a culture obsessed with self-care and wellness, essential oils offer accessible relaxation. Let's have a look at some of the best essential oil diffusers for small spaces. Number 1. Vitruvi Stone Essential Oil Diffuser. In our tests, this stylish and efficient Vitruvi diffuser scored the highest marks in every category. Our testers loved its simple ceramic design, stating that it looks like a piece of art. It emits a solid stream without being too overpowering scent-wise, and the thin light strip on the bottom is optional for those who prefer to keep their rooms dark at night. Ultrasonic technology to preserve oil integrity, 2 timer settings, consistent 4-hour and intermittent 8-hour. Automatic safety shutoff when water levels run low. Number 2. URPOWER Second Version Essential Oil Diffuser. The URPOWER Ultrasonic Aroma Essential Oil Diffuser is elegant and easy to use. Just add 100 milliliters of water and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Advanced ultrasonic diffusion technology quietly releases a soothing fragrant mist for up to 6 hours. An automatic shutoff safety system when waterless protects the product from being burned out. Keep essential oil 100% natural without burning or heating and automatically shut off safely. The URPOWER Ultrasonic Aroma Humidifier does double duty to make your home smell better for up to 6 hours. Number 3. ASAKUKI Smart Essential Oil Diffuser. This essential oil diffuser is perfect for every home, office, or yoga studio, so you can create a calming atmosphere. This device will purify and humidify the air so you will no longer suffer from dry skin and lips. The diffuser will create the perfect environment so you can breathe and sleep better, relax, and feel better than ever. The air purifier has a large capacity of 500 milliliters, so it can work through the night for best results. The light of the diffuser can be turned off or dimmed so it will never disturb your sleep. Number 4. InnoGear Essential Oil Diffuser. This InnoGear car diffuser is cool in more ways than one. In addition to its adorable design that fits right into any decor style, it serves as both an essential oil diffuser and a mini humidifier, adding healthy moisture and elegant aromatherapy into the atmosphere. Unlike those diffusers with a solid outer shell, this car diffuser with a transparent outer shell will not block out the light, making it both a great nightlight and wonderful home decor. Having the power jack designed at the back rather than at the bottom, making it convenient to use. Number 5. Pure Enrichment Essential Oil Diffuser. Refresh the air naturally in your home, office, or spa using the advanced ultrasonic technology of Pure Spa Deluxe. With a whisper-quiet operation, Pure Spa Deluxe runs softly in the background so it does not disturb the peace of the room. By distributing a gentle, cool mist into the air, Pure Spa Deluxe also functions as a moisturizing humidifier for dry rooms. The large capacity water tank allows you to run Pure Spa Deluxe for 8 to 10 hours without the need for excessive refills. When water runs low, it automatically shuts off.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.